Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share one of my favorite chicken stir-fry dish. It's a mushroom and chicken stir-fry. Step 1 is marinate chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thigh meat. You can also use chicken breast or chicken leg, boneless, skinless as well. I have about 6 pieces of chicken thigh here. They are this big. I have 6 pieces of them today. Mushroom, you can use any type of mushroom you desire. You can combination different type of mushroom together for the stir fry. Actually, that's come out taste even better. So I'm combination with the baby bella mushroom, about 8 ounce here, and also fresh shitake mushroom, 6 ounce of a fresh shitake mushroom. So I'm using 2 type of mushroom combination today. And on side of that, I'll use half red onion. You can use other type of onion as well. I'm using half of it. And a quarter of a bell pepper, red color. This mainly is for the color of the dish. I like the stir-fry dish come out vibrant, colorful, and makes you want it to eat. And of course, the bell pepper provides a hint of sweetness for this dish as well. And a little bit of carrots, this is optional. About 2/2 of a white part of a scallions, green onion, cilantro here. I use about a handful of cilantro here. Cilantro we're going to use at the end of the stir fry after we turn off the stove. And this will give a vibrant green color as well as a fragrant from a cilantro. It just elevates the whole dish in the end. Another optional ingredients you wanted to consider is, of course, if you like spicy food, like I do. Today I'm using saranno pepper. I use 3 saranno pepper because I really like spicy food. I like that heat. And you may also use red Thai chili as well. We needed to start prepare chicken first because we need to marinate chicken for about 20 to 30 minutes to really making sure all the flavors, marination flavors to get into the chicken meat. While we're waiting for marinating chicken, then we'll prepare step 2, we'll prepare all the vegetables. So let's get started. Prepare chicken first. Cut chicken into bite sizes. Fresh grated ginger, I pre-grated for about 1.5 tablespoons. Fresh grated ginger. You may also use ginger powder. Wait, I can't talk today. Okay, that's a fresh grated ginger. Dark soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Regular soy sauce, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons. Salt, 1 tablespoon. 5 spices, or you can also use 13 spices, about 1 teaspoon. Szechuan peppercorn powder. This is Szechuan peppercorn powder. It's homemade. I freshly grated. And you can also use a store-bought. Just 1 teaspoon, that's enough because they are pretty potent. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now we're gonna give a throat massage. Make sure all the spices penetrate into chicken meat. Okay, now that looks pretty good. And then lastly, we'll give up 2 tablespoons of any vegetable oil to seal it. Giving vegetable oil to seal the chicken, it will help later on when we stir fry chicken because we have a cornstarch in the chicken, so the chicken won't stick in the wok or in the skillet. I'm using avocado oil, about 2 tablespoons. Ooh, it smells so good. I like the ginger, fresh grated ginger smell in this marination sauce. So chicken is marinated. Set this on the side. Now we can prepare the other ingredients for this stir fry. Chop up scallions, 1 to 2 centimeter in length. Bell pepper. Again, we wanted to chop up to small chunks to match the shape of the chicken meat. Carrots. That's it. cilantro. Chinese stir fry usually it's a really fast-paced process, so you wanted to prepare all the ingredients prior and lay them out or organize well, so when stir fry happens, the whole process can go smoothly. You don't stress about missing this and forgetting that. So here we go. All ingredients are ready, vegetables are ready, chicken's ready. Let's start stir fry. Heat up your pan. Spray some avocado oil in the pan. We are going to lightly stir fry mushroom to evaporate all moisture from mushroom first. To allow moisture from mushroom evaporated, about 2 to 3 minutes. Something like this is perfect. I'm going to take out the mushroom on the plate. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan immediately. Add onion in the pan. Serrano pepper or jalapeno pepper or Thai chili, whatever pepper you use. Carrots. Two minutes or so to bring out aroma from all these vegetables. Onions, pepper, and carrots. 2 minutes, then take them out. You can put on the same plate with the mushroom together. So same pan, don't wash the pan, use remaining oil, put the chicken in it. Chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes to evaporate all the moisture in the chicken meat. Once moisture is about 90% out of the meat, then we can add in all these vegetables to stir fry with the chicken quickly. Here's the mushroom and onion, carrots, and pepper. And something like this, now it's perfect. Let's add in all the vegetables. I'm going to add in the raw one first. Bell pepper and scallions. Look at the color. Isn't that gorgeous? About a minute. Then we add in mushroom and the rest of vegetables in the pan. Oh, the mushroom smells so good here. Absolutely love the color. Look at that. Prepare steamed brown rice, white rice, or quinoa rice. I usually do brown rice or white rice with this dish because this dish goes so well with the rice. Wow. I I just love the smell of this combination stir fry. I don't know, I'm a big fan of mushrooms, all kinds of mushrooms. Any way you cook it, as long as mushroom, I'm all over it. Okay, here you may add salt and pepper to taste. Be careful with adding salt because there's a salt in the chicken meat already, so just slightly add a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoons salt, that's enough. Because when we marinate chicken, it's just soy sauce, that's salty, and we also add a little bit of salt as well. Look at this color, and let me tell you, the smell here is really, I lost words to describe it. Whenever I feel like something savory, but not overly rich, this is one of the dishes I always cook for myself and the family, of course. A little bit of black pepper. So the whole process of the stir fry is on medium heat. Stir fry it about 3 minutes right after I add in the vegetables. And we can use the remaining heat to let the meat cook through. So right now, I'm going to turn off the heat and cover up with a lid to finish this cooking. Turn off the heat here. Let it sit here. Let the remaining heat from the pan to finish the cooking. Okay, after uncovered for 2 minutes, I'll add a cilantro in the end to give that vibrant color as well as elevate the whole dish. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Just look at this color. I love this color. It makes me want to eat. So this stir fry is actually total from beginning preparing until the end, 30 minutes. Everything just so quick. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm so excited. It smells really, really good here. Let's try chicken. Actually, I like to try chicken, bell pepper, and mushroom all at the same time. I've never had a fresh shitake mushroom. I always have a dry shitake mushroom in the house. So first time, oh, look, I got everything. I've got fresh shitake mushroom, bell pepper, and chicken all at the same time. Woo! We'll try. Okay, here we go. Absolutely delicious. No doubt. The mushroom is just so meaty. Can't help it. One more bite. 10 out of 10. Surprisingly, I used the 3 serrano pepper. I don't feel that spicy. The mushroom is definitely brings out a lot of flavor. Very meaty texture. Absolutely love it. Hope you guys love this video and recipe. I really want you guys to try this recipe and leave comment to me. Let me know how you like it. Your comments, your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. I'm going to have a lunch now. Bye.